We've got a 15 kilogram 32 inch television that we want to put onto this wall using this bracket. The problem we've got is it's a dry lined wall. We can tell it's a dry lined wall because when you tap it you can hear the hollow bits and the more solid bits where the dabs are. This is otherwise known as a dot and dab wall. We've got a new product which we're going to use to put this up, which is called DrylinePro. It's about the only thing that will work really well on a dry lined wall. It's designed especially for dry lined walls. It's called the DrylinePro, and what we've got in the pack is, just open it up, a whole lot of instructions. I don't need to read those because I wrote them. We've got 8 plugs, 8 screws, some washers to make it look nice and tidy, and 2 drill bits. We're going to be using the black high-speed drill bit because we know we've got soft block behind this wall. If we've got stone or brick, we would use the masonry drill bit that comes in the kit because then that's obviously got a harder wall for brick. But this is an ordinary high-speed drill, it's a 7.5mm high-speed drill, and that's what we're going to drill. We've cheated a bit, we've marked it out already because you don't want to watch me marking out. What is important is to make sure that you drill deeper than the plug. First thing we need to do, in fact we've already done it, is to make sure we haven't got any wires where we're going to drill. Using one of these wires or pipes, we know where these wires are going. They all go up from here, so we know we're safe. But one of these is a good investment if you don't know what you've got behind your wall. So away we go. We'll drill some holes to stop the dust. We're going to use Mr. Henry. As you can see, it drills very easily indeed. And then we put the plugs in the wall, they push straight in to start with, and then just screw in until they're flush with the wall. Oops, dropped one. So there they go, the plugs are in the wall. We want 4 screws. And I'm going to use some cut washers on the screws just to make the job look a little bit tidier. These aren't structural, they just look pretty. And when you drop them all over the floor, they look pretty on the floor as well. Right, away we go with the bracket. Straight in the screw to start with. I'm not going to do that up tight. Make sure it's nice and level on the nice little spirit level that comes in the bracket. And tweak it up. There we go, one bracket on the wall. I know this bracket would take my weight. We've done tests that would show this would take a lot more than my weight, and I'm no skinny as you can see. Shall we put it on the wall, Tom?
Yes, we shall.
pieces. Plug those in a minute, but point is that's a very comfortable sitting on the wall television. Easy. DrylinePro, buy it online, drylinepro.com.